OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine.
Hi, I'm Terry. So now I'm in front of a very important winery whose name is exactly the same as the creator, Mr. Bruno Giacosa. And now I'm with the winemaker, Francisco, very young winemaker. So actually, we have to know that Mr. Bruno is one of the iconic people in the region. So tell us a little bit about the history.
Yes, Bruno started to make the wine in the bottle in 1961. I have a great history. In the first time, had a mediator of grapes, and have a great idea of the different area in the Morra and Barbaresco. After, from 1982, started to buy the vineyards, and start to add the Azienda Agricola Falletto in Serralunga d'Alba, and start to produce Falletto, the subzone, then very famous subzone, and after, from 1997, start also to have the Barolo Le Rocche del Falletto. Then,
people say you are one of the winery who focus really on the terroir. So what do you mean about terroir for you?
Okay, for Serralunga, terroir is very different to the other village of Barolo. Barolo have a lot of village with different characteristic, terroir characteristic. In Serralunga we have a lot of limestone in the soil, very white soil. For this gives the wine the sensation of tannins, very austere, very structured wine, very potent, but in the same moment very elegant and refined, I think.
So tell us a little bit about the wine you bring to us today.
Okay, today we have the Barolo Le Rocche del Falletto 2007, the Riserva red label. Is the new release. We start to sold this in March this year. Yes, is 2007 in general is a great vintage, I think, a little bit warm, but interesting because I have two important characteristics. The nose very open, very fruity, typical of warm vintage, and the mouth, the structure similar to the classic vintage. For this, I think is a good vintage, very interesting.
You know, actually Chinese people now really we love Barolo. So have you already exported to China yet?
No, in this moment the market in China, we don't have the market in China. I don't know because I'm a winemaker. I don't work in commercial area, but we start. I think Bruna, the daughters of Bruno, start in this moment. I think to have the commercial partners with the China, I think.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. 哇，所以大家知道，我们我们今天采访第一个 Barolo 了。我们大家知道，其实这 Bruno 先生真的这边是非常重要的一个人物了。他创建了非常多的类似我们说风土terroir这样的概念、酿酒的概念。而他们酒呢，目前的话，其实也是当地非常具备代表性的，非常能够喝出不同的村庄特色的一款酒。所以我们希望更多中国消费者能够喜欢上这款酒。我们去下一家看一下吧。Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Sorry for my English.
No, perfect. You are a superstar already. Great.
OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine.